William, what is happening right now?
Rosie is riding a bike.
All by himself.
Without training wheels.
For the very first time in his life.
I didn't even teach him. Like, his sister taught him how to do that.
Totally. He's been 4 years old for 1 week and he is riding a bike without training wheels. That is so awesome.
Check this out.
And seriously, I worked with him yesterday and he was so scared he wouldn't do it. Apparently Nikoi has the touch. Tayden, did you see what's happening? Come and see, hurry. I want you guys to know this dude right here, he rode a bike at 3 years old. 3 years old.
Okay. Go. Keep going, buddy.
Just get your bike going fast.
Get your feet
Yeah,
up.
get
Now
it going
put your
fast.
feet up.
There you go.
Yeah! Yay! Woo! You're doing it, buddy.
Keep pedaling. Oh, he pushed back on accident.
Oh, it's okay.
No, I just want to push back because I'm going to stop.
Way to be an awesome big sister.
We were going downhill and I told him to put his feet up. And I said, pedal, 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 you got this. See, you're balancing anyway. And so he just put his feet on and pedaled once. He says, I did it! And I was like, keep going, keep going. And he just pedaled all the way down.
Did your big sister teach you how to ride a bike? That is so nice of her. Go give him a big hug.
No, Nicole didn't teach me myself this one.
Yourself just learned?
Yeah, I just said,
You are so awesome. Okay, let's see you go back down the hill.
walk, 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 walk.
Keep pedaling. You did it, dude. You did it, buddy. He's out of here.
Next, and watch this.
Rosie, you riding your bike all by yourself?
Yeah.
Yay! It's okay, they turned. Can you stop for me?
Bye, Nixon.
What's up, Dyches fam?
What's up?
We hope you guys are doing great today. Dyches kids, how are you doing?
Great.
We're super glad Spider-Man, learned how to ride his bike today. You excited, Spider-Man?
Oh, Roswell.
Roswell rode his bike.
Wait, where is Roswell?
I think he's at Spider-Man's house and Spider-Man came with us. No?
Where is he?
Roswell's at the playground.
Roswell's at the playground. Well, now we're all in the car and we are headed to some soccer games.
That's right, if you guys haven't heard, Tayden is playing soccer now, along with everybody else. So Tayden's got a game and...
And I got a game.
That's right. William, how many goals are you going to score today?
I'm going to try to score 3 goals.
What? You scored 3 last time. So maybe we should score 4 today. You think you can do 4?
Yeah.
Okay, Tayden.
Yeah.
In your last game, you scored 5 goals. How many are you going to score today?
5.
Okay, it's going to be a little bit tougher team, I think.
6. Do 6 goals.
Yeah, right? We got to improve every game. We're going to try to, right?
Yeah.
Hey, look, we're both wearing purple. We're so purpley.
Where can they watch your highlights, Tayden?
If you guys want to see the full highlight of my game, be sure to go over to my channel, Tayden Dyches.
That's right. So Tayden's game is up first, followed by Bubba's. Here we go, Team Dyches fam.
Team Dyches fam on 3. 1, 2, 3. Team Dyches fam!
We could be taking control. We could be taking control.
What's up, Spider Soccer Man?
I'm not sorry. I'm not Spider-Man. I'm not.
Okay, it's game time Not much action at goalie the first half, was it?
None.
That means your team was doing dang good, though, right? Okay, so you know what that means. The second half, what's going to happen?
I'm gonna score some goals.
Lots of goals, right? Get out there, dude, and do awesome. Grandma's watching from the comfort of her car. I think she might be asleep. buzzer beater. Woohoo! Buzzer beater goal! We are the pretty pink pony. No! We are the unicorn. No! Are we Black Panthers? Yes. Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3 Black Panthers. 1, 2, 3 Black Panthers. One, take, two, three.
Clayton Fairview!
Good job. Hey, you guys played awesome. Okay, we got some puppy cuteness going on at the soccer game. Isn't that the cutest little puppy you've ever seen? Rosie, go give the puppy a little kiss. Go give it a little snuggle. Oh, I love that puppy. Dude, that was an awesome game. How many shots on goal do you think you had?
Like 10.
Yeah, a lot. And you were going for half the game.
Yeah.
Dude,
That was
hey,
annoying.
William, guess what? You did awesome no matter what position you're in today. Good job, buddy. How many goals did you end up scoring?
2.
Dude, and you had a lot of near misses, right?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. I'm proud of you.
Thanks for coming.
Now it's time for a little football practice.
And where have you been, little lady?
I've been at tumbling and cheer.
That's right, Nikoi has started tumbling and cheerleading. Have you ever done cheerleading before?
No.
Okay, so we put Nikoi in kind of a basic level because we were like, she's never done cheer before. Let's practice and see if she likes it. And what happened?
I got moved up to the next level, the highest level.
And what does that mean?
That means I'm doing competitions.
That's right. And what kind of cheerleader do they want you to be?
A flyer.
Well, you are the tiniest one out there, so when you're tiny, that's what happens.
I'm the second tiniest. So me and this other girl are like the exact same height. And so we call ourselves the second shortest.
Okay, so what does it mean to be a flyer?
Well, there's 2 people and they lift you up in the air and they chuck you all around.
And did they drop you on your head yet?
No.
There's
There is actually another girl on the second day that they dropped her on her head.
Yes. Okay, Nikoi, you gonna be okay?
Yeah.
How's your arm feeling today?
It's feeling really good. I was doing back handsprings and everything else, round-offs. So it's
So
fun.
if you guys don't remember, Nikoi got in a 4-wheeler accident. She tipped the 4-wheeler over and fell off and hurt her arm.
Why? How can you tip a 4-wheeler? It's so heavy.
Well, when you're a crazy driver like you.
I'm not a crazy driver.
Crazy cheerleader, crazy driver. So hopefully that's feeling better so you can do awesome. And what awesome trick did you learn at cheerleading?
My full down.
And what is that?
So it's where they put you up in extension, they lift you all the way up, clear up with their arms straight, and you're standing all the way up in the air, and they throw you up, and you lay down on your back like this while you're spinning, and then they catch you on your back.
So you jump up and you spin around and then they catch you,
Like
right?
this. This is a horrible imitation, but I'm gonna do it anyway.
Okay, let's see your best one.
I missed the couch. It's harder than you think. Woohoo! And then they throw me. My first team, when they caught me, they were too worried about their pose after that they would just chuck me. They'd just like chuck me and I would go. They're like, you always stick to landing. I don't know why we always throw you.
Do you think you're like cheerleading?
Yeah, it's really fun.
How do you think you like cheerleading compared to competitive gymnastics?
I like cheer better.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, we'll keep doing it then. Keep being awesome, Nikoi.
Walk over this.
You can't walk over that.
I can.
No, I'm too short.
Dad, please. Okay, I'll try. Don't play to kick you.
This was a little abusive to the llama.
Yeah. He pretends it's a bucket bull and he rides it. When he falls off, he wrestles it.
Hey, Rosie, can you play llama soccer?
Let's get as hard as you can. My turn.
seriously love watching this every day. Do you have a soccer game tomorrow?
Yep.
Nope, guess what? You have 2 soccer games tomorrow.
You guys.
Are you excited? Are you gonna ride your llama during the soccer game?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh man. Speaking of soccer studs, look at these 2 dudes. Both of you guys scored a couple goals today.
Yep.
Yeah. You guys like playing soccer?
Oh yeah.
I love playing soccer.
Yeah, William actually likes being goalie too, and he played goalie for the for like 1 full half today.
Yeah.
How many times did they kick the ball to you?
0.
So he actually likes playing when they kick the ball to him, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, Tayden, you're a little rusty, bro. You still got some good fancy footwork out there though, but we're a little rusty. Tayden hasn't played any soccer since last year.
Yeah.
Yeah, when was that?
A while
A
ago.
long time ago, huh? But you still got some good skills. So we got some more soccer games headed your way tomorrow. Nicoy and Roswell both have games. So come back tomorrow and hang out with us. Right, boys?
Oh yeah. Yo, what is, dude, this kid's hyper.
Right.
Oh my god.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
He says I love you.